buy pounds, you see this? I move the price down. If I want to sell pounds, I can move the price up. Now here's something important to remember. If you place a sell limit down here, you are going to be instantly filled. Now here's why. The broker assumes that if you're willing to sell at 95.98, then you'd be ecstatic to sell at 96.08. Do you see how this price 96.08 quite obviously is higher? So the broker will automatically assume that if you're willing to sell at if you're willing to sell at 95.98 and the price is at 96.08, that you want to get in right now. Some brokers will simply tell you, well, you can't place your sell order there. So let's go ahead and place it there. Now you see this? We place the order at 96.19 to sell, and it says it was successful. So what are we saying? We're saying when price gets to 96.19, I want to sell. We're telling our broker you can only sell at this specific price. Okay? Now let's go ahead and bring up another order. Now if we wanted to buy, let's go to pending order again. And we have a buy limit. We'll go ahead and move this down. Now if we wanted to buy in this case when price was down here, we would simply select 95.93, we have buy limit, and then we would select place. And you see here it says buy limit 3 lots successful. Then you can just click OK. Let's go back to our order screen here. Okay, so we've gone over market orders, or what they call instant execution orders. We've gone over pending orders, or what's called a limit order. Let's talk about placing these combination order at the same time. Now, if we're looking to sell the market, so we're looking to sell the market down here at 95.94. The way we're going to do that is on what's called a sell stop. Now you have to remember this. If price is above where we want to sell, we need to use a sell stop order. Because what we're telling our broker is, I want to sell, but I don't want to sell until price gets down here. Remember, if we place a limit order to sell, let me just go through that. I'll show you what happens. We'll do a sell limit, and I'll select this price down here. See that? Invalid. Now, why is it telling us it's invalid? It's telling us it's invalid because it's below the current price. Now remember, the broker says, well, hey, if you're willing to sell at 95.93, then come on. The market's at 96.04. You're selling at a higher price. So it'll tell you if you're entering the wrong one. Remember, if you want to sell, remember if we're talking about, let me go ahead and move this out of the way quickly. Let's say the market was trading in this pattern here. It's coming down to the bottom here, and we want to sell on a breakout. Okay? We want to sell on a breakout, so that price is down here at 95.95. Instead of a sell limit, we need to place what? A sell stop. A sell stop tells our broker, I want to sell at a lower price, but don't execute the price until it gets down there. So the sell stop is going to fill at 95.95. Now remember I said we'd go over how to trade this stuff automatically. Notice on the screen you can also set your stop loss and your take profit.